Okay, got a lot of mushrooms today, mainly puffballs, but some great lepiotas. You see these there? Absolutely beautiful. First we're going to prepare some onions. That's the first thing we'll do. I've fried some onions, ready to cook these puffballs. Okay, there we are. We just sliced them up to about 1 centimetre thick pieces. Cutting them up here. Son who found them today. Fresh puffballs. Okay, the thing about puffballs when you pick them, this was quite a big one for the time, is they must be pure white on the inside. If they're not pure white, if they're going slightly off yellow or darker yellow, you cannot eat them. But when they're pure white like this, they're really good. Now, Junior Bush Camping Tours wants to say something about them. Yep.
The other thing is to know whether they're any good or not, without cutting them in half, is to see whether they're soft. So now this one is not that soft.
It's quite firm, yeah.
Yeah, it's quite firm.
Yep,
and these other ones are firm too, so that means they'll be okay. But if they're really soft and puffing out spores, they're no good.
Yeah, okay, let's move on, mate. We are looking very tasty.
So this is how much yellow it has to look like, so you don't eat it. About like that much. Yeah, so that's when you shouldn't eat them.
I want to learn how to do it. These are the Sonella that we got today, which is the lepiota, macro lepiota. These are really delicious, and that's all the got a huge thing of the puffballs there. Okay, Dirty Kitchen here. Thanks for watching.